So, in the endosymbiotic theory, we have eukaryotic cells, which are pre-mitochondrion, and here we can see the nucleus and the nucleolus and the nucleus. And then we also have aerobic bacteria, which consists of the capsule, cell wall, and cytoplasmic membrane. The eukaryotic cells go through a process called phagocytosis. And here we can see that the aerobic bacteria is being consumed by the eukaryotic cell, and here we can see that it becomes part of the cell. And then from that we get the mitochondrion, which consists of the inner membrane, granules, matrix, DNA, the outer membrane, and inner membrane.
So the next step in the endosymbiotic theory, the chloroplast develops. So here we have a eukaryotic cell with the mitochondria already in it. This is pre-chloroplast. And we have a photosynthetic bacteria with carboxysome. So here we see the photosynthetic bacteria being engulfed by the eukaryotic cell. And then this is the end result with the photosynthetic bacteria inside. And so as time passed, the chloroplast evolved, and this is what it looks like now with the inner membrane, outer membrane, intermembrane space, granium, and thylakoids.
All right, so according to our theories, our aerobic bacteria and our photosynthetic bacteria originate with one membrane. Once the eukaryotic cells go through phagocytosis, these organelles develop a second layer, which is our phospholipid bilayer. The phospholipid bilayer consists of a hydrophobic head and hydrophilic tails. The outer membrane, made of hydrophobic heads, protect the cell from particles and the extracellular fluid, and the inner hydrophobic heads make up the inner plasma membrane, which touches the intracellular fluid, aka the cytoplasm. This brings us into our endogenous process.
So in contrast to the endosymbiotic theory, we have the endogenous theory, which originates with a single cell that has only DNA within it, and the cell membrane of the prokaryote invaginates, meaning that the cell wall is turned inside out or folded back onto itself to form a cavity or pouch, which makes room for the organelles to be made, and the cell wall then separates off, leaving internal vesicles that have membranes. These vesicles become associated with, undergo a quick process, giving rise to our modern day organelles like vacuoles, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, and mitochondrion. And so according to this theory, the organelles evolve within the phospholipid bilayer from the cell wall.